Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing and launching Google Earth on your phone. Grant location and storage permissions so layers and imagery load properly. This matters for accuracy. Sign in to save placemarks and tours, or skip sign in to explore immediately. Once done, tap search to find an address, city, or coordinates. Make sure to allow background data if asked, because imagery and 3D tiles stream continuously. This impacts performance and data usage. Now learn to move around. Pinch to zoom, 2-finger drag to tilt the view, and 1-finger swipe to rotate. Practice until navigation feels natural. Open layers to toggle 3D buildings, borders, and labels so you see context and elevation. Use Voyager to access curated tours, and I'm feeling lucky for random highlights. Both add guided content while explaining places. When measuring distances, use the ruler tool and make sure to cache areas by viewing them while on Wi-Fi for offline access. Finish by saving and sharing. Tap the placemark icon to mark locations, organize them into folders, and export KML for backup or sharing with colleagues. Record a tour for presentations using the Project Capture feature and narrate while you move through views. If things go wrong, imagery stalls, or 3D won't load, clear the app cache, confirm permissions, and toggle airplane mode, then reconnect. This refreshes the network stack. If persistent, reinstall the app to resolve corrupted data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.